181 species in genus Commiphora. The intriguing world of Commiphora, a personal exploration. My name is Ferb Vu, and I've always been fascinated by the diversity of the plant kingdom. Lately, my interest has been piqued by the genus Commiphora, a group of plants that has played a significant role in human history and continues to offer a wealth of potential uses. Join me as I delve into the world of these remarkable plants. What is Commiphora? Commiphora is a genus of flowering plants in the Burseraceae family, which is known for its resinous trees and shrubs. These plants are primarily found in the arid and semi-arid regions of Africa, Madagascar, the Middle East, and India. They are well adapted to these harsh environments, often exhibiting features like succulent stems, thorns, and peeling bark. One of the most notable characteristics of Commiphora species is their ability to produce aromatic resins. These resins have been used for centuries in incense, perfumes, and traditional medicine. Perhaps the most famous example is myrrh, a fragrant resin obtained from Commiphora myrrha, which has been prized since ancient times for its medicinal and ceremonial properties. A diverse genus. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Traditional uses and modern applications. Commiphora species have a long history of use in traditional medicine. The resins and extracts from these plants have been used to treat a wide range of ailments, including wounds, inflammation, and infections. Some species have also been used for their purported anti-cancer and anti-diabetic properties. In addition to their medicinal uses, Commiphora species have also been used for other purposes. The wood of some species is used for timber and fuel, while the leaves and fruits of others are used as fodder for livestock. Some species are also used in landscaping and gardening for their attractive appearance and drought tolerance. Modern research has confirmed some of the traditional uses of Commiphora species. Studies have shown that certain compounds found in these plants have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. There is also growing interest in the potential use of Commiphora extracts in the development of new drugs and therapies. Conservation concerns. Despite their importance, many Commiphora species are facing threats due to habitat loss, overexploitation, and climate change. Some species are now considered to be endangered or vulnerable. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these valuable plants and ensure their sustainable use. My continued fascination. As I continue to learn more about Commiphora, I am increasingly impressed by the versatility and potential of these plants. They have played a significant role in human history and continue to offer a wealth of benefits. I believe that further research into these plants could lead to the development of new medicines, sustainable materials, and other valuable products. I am eager to see what the future holds for Commiphora. I believe that these remarkable plants have much more to offer the world.